Hello, this is BJ from Ninesteps, and today I'd like to introduce the Ninesteps painting clips. There are two kinds of Ninesteps paint clips. There's the Essential, which is this one with the silver color, and there's also the Premium, which is this one, and these are the black color ones. There are certain details which I'll get into right now. Okay, so the Essential one here has a flexible cable handle and a small tipped alligator clip on the end, like so. The Premium paint clip has a solid steel shaft, which is quite stiff, and also has the protective plastic coating on the jaws to avoid damaging the parts that are being clipped. So here's an example of how they're used. Clip stands are very handy for holding up all your parts. As you can see, quite easily go into the holes and holds everything steadily in place. It can also be used for spraying at the same time, or you quite easily just remove the part, spray while it's in your hand, and pop it back into place. Now the Ninesteps stand is sturdy. It adds a nice base so that when you put your clips inside, they'll stand upright. So here we have the standard, pops inside, and Premium, pops in like so. As you can see, very solid, steady, and to give you a better idea, this is how they stand upright. The Essential and Premium paint clips are available from participating retailers and also online. This is BJ from Ninesteps. See you next time.